I'm Creighton King with GripLockTies, and everyone loves zip ties because they're cheap and they hold things together. But there's some real problems with regular zip ties. A normal zip tie, you know how it is, it's too tight and it's broken. How many times you open it up and you pull it and it breaks? So you got to use 3 of them. So what we've made is a rubber lined zip tie. This makes it so the zip tie is never too loose. The rubber lining on the GripLock tie cushions the wire and conforms around it. So if we take a look down here, here's some demos. A normal zip tie like this one will get loose, it'll smash the wire, it'll move around, it'll scratch the paint, damage the conductors in the wire. The rubber line of the GripLock tie creates a grommet around it, so your wires don't move around like it does with a regular zip tie. Now, how many times you're putting it together and you forgot to change those wires? You cinched it down, and you're like, oh crap, I gotta cut it off. With this one, you can open it back up, add the wires you forgot. So you can trim it like this, so you can still have the release tab right there, or you can flush cut it right here.